Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Angie's Craft House. Today, I will show you the perfect lacing method for your French beaded petals. If you are making a larger petals, usually 13 row or more, lacing is an absolute must. It binds the row together so your petals won't spread or lose their shape when you assemble the flower. For today's learning, you will need your completed beaded petal, a piece of 30 gauge or zero point 0.3 mm lacing wire exactly cut to about twice the width of your petal, and a cutter. So let's get stitching. We are going to start our lacing right from one side of the petal. First, take your lacing wire and fold it near one end, leaving about 1 centimeter tail. Take this folded hook and tuck it firmly between two center beads of your outermost row of this side of the petal. Now flip the petal over to the back. As you can see, the shorter end of your wire is now resting on the outer side of the petal. And there you go. This is your very first lock stitch. Now simply continue this exact same weaving process, moving outwards row by row until you reach and secure the very last row on the other end. As you can see here, I have used a silver wire for my lacing. However, it is highly recommended to use matching lacing wire with your beads so it camouflages and isn't very visible. Adding this extra step of lacing the petals to your French beaded flower project, it will upgrade your overall finishing of the flowers, and it makes your work look much more professional and neater. Once you finish, your row will be perfectly locked together and your petal is ready to shape. If you find this video helpful, then hit that like button, and if you are new here to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. And do check out my videos on French beading basics. See you next time.